Hey everybody, hope you're well. This is Gary Fernan for PHOTORECEPTORCELL, and in today's guide I'm going to show you how to create spaces between words. So here in Photoshop I've opened up a new document, a blank document, because basically we're going to use the type tool. So T on the keyboard brings up our type tool. There's white background, so let's make sure that our text is set to black. Now I'm going to, I'll leave it to the left hand side, and I'll just click in the middle there. Let's make that big enough so you can see. Let's just type in photoreceptor. Now let's change that something a little less fancy. So just impact and click away from that. Okay, so let's say for example that we want to create more space between each of these letters, and the way you do that is if you highlight the entire word and then hold down Alt or Option key using the left or right arrows. So left will bring them closer together, right will take the letters further apart. That is called tracking. So if you ever hear the term tracking, that's basically what it means. But let's say that we want to, for example, create a bit more space between photoreceptor and the word cell. So if we place our cursor between the R and the C, again hold down your Alt or Option key, and again right arrow takes it further away, left arrow brings it closer together, and that is called kerning. So there you go guys, that is how you can create more space between letters and or words. So there we go. I hope you found that useful, and I shall speak to you next time.